Take a moment to think about this. Why can't laptops be more like smartphones? It's fine. Take your time. Think about it. Samsung asked this question in their April Unpacked event when they announced their new Galaxy Book Series laptops. And that question just kind of stuck with me. Being the Apple nerd that I am, I started looking at it through the lens of iOS and macOS. All a laptop is just a more portable computer, right? And when I think about a laptop or a computer, I think of a more complex device, something that pros use for productivity. A device not only that holds all my documents, images, data, calendar, essentially my life, but a device that is kind of heavy, bulky, or slimmed down in the case of a laptop, but still kind of heavy and large. But it's not heavy without reason. The power a laptop holds is amazing. You know that Marvel movie that you love? It was made on a computer. Well, a bunch of high-spec computers. And now we have portable, lighter, less powered versions of that in laptops. Take it a step further, and we have a portable, lighter, less powered version of that in a smartphone. But is it really less powered? iPhones used to be reliant on having an iMac, but now the need for a Mac is gone, and smartphones have evolved over the years to be the device that holds all your docs, your pics, your data, life schedule, entertainment, all in your pocket. So we went from your laptop being the hub for your essentials and your iPhone just being an extension of that to the opposite. Our phones are our hub for our everyday life, and the laptops are just an extension of our phones. And now we're wanting to bring the laptop back around to these simple yet slim, high-powered devices that don't just extend our phones, but they enhance them. Enter the iPad Pro. Okay, I know the iPad Pro is expensive, and with the keyboard, it's even more expensive. But this, I think, is a perfect culmination of a smartphone and a laptop in one. Yes, having an iPhone really makes having an iPad a better experience. But we're not going to get away from phones anytime soon. This 2-in-1 is almost perfect. It's almost a perfect device in my opinion. See, I like things being dumbed down for me. Simpler for me to understand so that I can think less and work more, if that makes any sense. And the iPad Pro does just that. Again, all this is my opinion, and if you think I'm a moron for thinking this, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know down in the comments. I really want to know. But again, still, hit that like button, please. The iPad has the strength, and most, emphasis on most, capabilities of a laptop, but with an easier to understand and sleeker operating system. At its core, the iPad was originally just a bigger version of your iPhone. And now, it keeps all the iPhone looks in the OS, but it does things like video editing, and note-taking, and writing, and drawing, that would be just an inconvenience to do on your phone. Your laptop can do about half of that. And by that, I mean, it can turn into a tablet and use the pencil. Yes, I know iPadOS is very limiting, especially to the new M1 iPad Pros. But the fact that I can get along just fine on my iPad for note-taking, video editing, research, media consumption, and then easily remove my iPad from the keyboard with the pencil, design a logo, or make a thumbnail, or draw, makes me think that I don't need a MacBook. I just got rid of my MacBook Air, and my entire workflow is now off of my iPad Pro, and it has been for years. And it's also off of my iPhone, an extension of my iPad, or other way around. And I wouldn't have it any other way. When I travel, I can take my office with me anywhere I go. As long as I have my iPhone and iPad, I can be a productivity machine. No Mac, MacBook, no bulky cables, just an iPad Pro, a Magic Keyboard, and an Apple Pencil. But that's just one man's opinion. There are a lot of more people out there with much more experience than I have, and I'll be interviewing some of them on this topic of an iPad Pro replacing your daily computer, and all the things that tie into that. First interview is out on Thursday. So hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss that one. And if you like this video, hit like. And if you hated it, then just hit like more aggressively, I guess. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. And go check out my other channel where we do some music stuff on there. I'm Jake. This is Shot on My Phone.